Welcome back to another interview. This time I'm at the Teledyne e2v booth and I'm joined by Managing Director Nicolas Chantier. Thank you for taking the time to talk to us.
Good morning, thank you.
I hope I pronounced that last name correctly and I didn't completely butcher it.
You did it right, thank you.
Calendar year is almost over. How has the business year treated Teledyne e2v?
It's been positive. Teledyne e2v belongs to the big Teledyne Digital Imaging division, and every business in that division is growing this year, so it's been a good year for us. We're happy.
What would you say is the main reason for the growth that you're seeing?
Oh, I think hard work, favorable market conditions, and all that together. We have multiple different businesses. It's difficult to make a general statement for each of them individually.
When I've been working around electronica this year, I've seen quite a heavy focus on automotive, and then I came here to your booth, and automotive it's completely out. You've chosen to focus on more high reliability type market and some high performance. But where is this choice coming from? Why have you chosen to just step away from automotive?
Okay, so we historically this business with e2v semiconductors, Teledyne e2v semiconductors, has a heavy part of it into aerospace and defense, and that's the theme you can see here. We are an aerospace business as a certified company, and we also expand that to other high performance segments. So we'll go through the various products here.
So right now on the show, what is the highlight for you guys? What are you showcasing and pushing forward?
Highlight is an integrated processor, quad-core processor and memory for the aerospace industry that we are demoing here. And the other highlight is the latest digital channel converter at microwave frequencies that we are showing here. And we also promote the fact that we are offering our semiconductor factory to any external customers who would like to manufacture ASICs or other chips of themselves.
All right. And before I leave you, and I'm going to ask some of your other co-workers here to explain some of the highlights here, how are your expectations on going into 2019 looking?
Very positive. Our plans, our business plan for next year is moderate growth, but it's a positive year ahead of us with more new product developments, and we keep pushing innovations and expand the portfolio as well.
One of the highlights that you were telling me earlier about was the Qormino.
Absolutely.
Specifically, why is this a highlight? Why is this the thing that you choose to flex your muscles with?
Okay. Qormino, this is our new version of Qormino. It's an integrated quad-core processor and 4 GB of memory in one single component. It's really now working. We have two boards here where the product is really running, and the benefits to our customers is a form factor. That's one benefit of importance to certain application, and the other benefit is the faster time to market for our customers. There's important parts of the system design that are already made in this module, and that will save our customers development time and reduce risk. In particular, it's the routing of DDR4 memory between the memory and the processor that is already done in this product. So our customers, R&D and project team don't have to do it. They save a precious engineering time by not doing that, and it's also routing the memory is an activity that does not create differentiation for their system. They would have to do it, but it doesn't create differentiation, so we do that for them, and they can focus their engineers on what makes a difference for them in their system.
So what would be the main focus for this product? Which market are we talking about? Is it more aerospace, civil, or defense, space?
It's generally open for many applications where that type of product is useful and makes sense, but we are focusing here on our current main customers in the aerospace industry, primarily aircraft applications, for which we are preparing a pack of documentation to help our customers be certified, or to certify their system for safety on aircraft flight, to fly passengers. That's a DO254. DO254 is a certification for aircraft electronics, and we will help our customers by providing a pack of data to help them certify their systems based on this product faster.
With a product like this, how many R&D hours are we looking at bringing this one to life? How long does this take to develop something like this for you guys?
It takes us several years to mature this to the stage we are now. I think it's roughly, it's hard to say when we really started, but it's approximately 4 years until we reach this stage where we have a product working in a software ecosystem. We can see here major operating systems, real-time operating systems that are certified for aircraft, working with these products and creating the product, making the software stack work on it took us several years to work.
So with a 4-year investment, I'm hoping you're going to have a success with this.
Thank you. Yes.
I'm still at the Teledyne e2v booth, and this time I'm joined by Qormino. Thank you for joining us.
Yeah, nice to be here.
You are the guy to go to talking about the converters here. I just talked to Nicholas here about the processes, and the next highlight you had was converters, and for me that's kind of a big step in between. Why is a converter a highlight?
So we think these are a highlight because we have very high speed, very high performance analog to digital and digital to analog converters that get used in a lot of applications, everywhere from space and down into test and measurement type applications. These products we're showing live, so an engineer can walk in here and see live performance. The A2D is sampling at 6.4 gigasamples per second, a very high frequency signal, up to 6 gigahertz in this case, and we're showing that kind of performance. And the DAC, the D to A converter, is sampling at 8 gigasamples per second and can generate signals up into the 15 and even 25 gigahertz bands. So it allows our customers to actually sample signals at very high frequencies, eliminate analog mixing in both the D to A and A to D transmit and receive modes, and just allow simplification and very high performance in a wide range of applications.
Looking at these two, listening to the numbers, these are very tiny to begin with.
Yeah, indeed. This is the ADC, and it's actually 4 channels in here, so it's a quad ADC, all in this small package, designed for space. And this is the D to A converter. Yeah. It's a single channel, but it's in a much smaller package than the ADC.
Yeah, and the numbers you just threw at me, I'm going to ask for a different type of number now. Compared to its predecessors,
yes,
how much smaller and how much more powerful?
So this package, how much smaller is a good question. The package of the previous part, which was only 2 channels, was actually larger, quite a bit larger, I don't know the percentage, than this one. So this is 4 channels in a smaller package, and in this case, the single channel DAC, it is 1 channel, but it's, again, in a quite a bit smaller package than the previous 1 channel device.
How's the reception been so far on these?
Customers like these. We don't just build new parts because we want to build new parts. It isn't one engineer saying, I'll do the next best thing. We spend a lot of time talking with our customers and asking them what they need next. And so the reception is good because what we're doing is delivering what they ask for.
Sound investment.
Yes. Yeah.
And I hope you the best of success with these new ventures. And we'll see you in 2 years, I guess.
Yes. Thank you very much.